when those trucks with those pallets, newly made, newly sawn wood come past, there's a really beautiful smell and there's a cool breeze that's like a refrigerator that's stacked. I guess it's just because it's been outside. It's been outside overnight, or maybe there really is well, what a great air cooling system that would be if you could. You can't keep it fresh like that, but the wood is, I don't know, somebody should do an experiment, see what it is about freshly sawn wood. It's brilliant.